Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my page. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cook Utazi soup. Guys, this is one of my favorite soup. So let's get started. In a clean pot, I added in the beef, shaki, cowfish, stockfish, salt, onions, stock cubes, and some water. Cover the pot to cook till tender. Once that is done cooking, I'm going ahead to separate the meat from the stock water. In a separate and clean pot, I will be adding in the canned palm nut juice extract. Then add in the meat stock and some water. Cover the pot, allow it to boil for about 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, I will be adding in my ogiri, known as locust beans, my pepper, crayfish, stock cubes, uziza powder, blended cocoyam for thickening. I will go ahead and cover the pot and let it cook for 10 minutes. This is how the leaves looks like, the dry and the fresh Utazi leaves, so you can use any of them. 10 minutes later, my cocoyam has dissolved. I have gotten the consistency that I need. I'll go ahead and add in the assorted meat, fish, cowfish, give it a stir, and add in my washed dry Utazi leaf and washed dry pumpkin leaf known as ugu. Give it a stir. I'll go ahead and cover it. Allow it to cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, my Utazi soup is ready and can be served with any swallow of your choice. I call this soup bitter sweet. Guys, this tastes so delicious. Hope you will be trying out this recipe. I'm enjoying it with my oatmeal fufu. If you like what you are watching, please don't forget to follow this page, like, share, and comment to know when I upload a new video. Bye.